Hey everybody, today I'm painting one of the bosses from Project Elite. His name is Ashar. Alright, so Ashar is primed with Army Painter's matte white, and that's because I'm going to be using a lot of contrast paints, and all I had was grays here, and I wanted to see what it was with white. Now I have used contrast paints in the past on white, and some of them turned out, some of them didn't. So first I start off with Stone Golem, just to do his laser gun here, just because it was a little bit more gray in the artwork, and I'll finish it off later on actually. Now I'm going to use some Tainted Gold for this blade, just because I didn't want to do a regular blade color. I figured it's an alien, has a little something different. And now I'm going to be using Citadel's contrast color, Gryph Charger Gray. Now, I am not doing at all what the artwork is showing because I was fed up doing barbarian flesh with like reddish orange colors. Anyways, you'll see another few more of these aliens later on done like that. But so I really want to just show this alien different on the table. So I'm giving him like bluish armor, which is this Gryph Charger Gray. And with the white, of course, these contrast paints go in the recesses and leave some of the white showing, so it does your highlighting for you, which is really nice and makes it a little bit easier to paint with. It's less forgiving though, because if you do make a mistake and you have to try and go around it or something, or if you paint it over, you either have to paint back the white or try a different color to cover it. I don't know, I've made a couple mistakes on this one and actually tried to cover it, but it still worked out. Anyways, I want to thank you guys for being here. I hope you enjoyed these videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell as well, and you'll find out when new videos come out. And also, you can support me on Ko-fi right now, so the link will be popping up on the screen. I also want to thank one of my first supporters, Reaper Roll, in making my way to getting some new equipment for recording, and eventually some new equipment for painting, or eventually even getting new miniatures and stuff like that. Now I'm going to be using another contrast color, which is Basilicanum Gray. So this I'm doing like on his hands, and it looked like he had gloves or something, but I'm not sure. And then like these hoofs that he has on his feet, or his claws, and a couple more parts that look sort of like armory-ish. Can't even tell what it is. There's so many details on these miniatures, and a master painter would be like amazing painting these things, because I'm sure they would do like every little nook and cranny with the different colors and getting all the shading right and getting all the overlapping right. And I mean, I could have done some wet blending on here, but I'm still far from that yet. Alright, so you saw me use some Turbo Dork before, which was with the gunners. Now I'm using it on this guy's laser gun, and I don't know if I didn't mix it well enough, but it doesn't do at all what I wanted. It just gives it a silver shine. Now I don't know if it's because I put gray and not black. I have no idea. I haven't been testing too much these paints, but I will look into it a little bit more to find out. So it doesn't do exactly what I wanted, but you know what? It still turns out pretty cool looking anyways. Now I'm going to be using some of the Citadel Contrast Guilliman Flesh, and this is for whatever was left in white. Because I figured, you know what, this guy's got some flesh, he's got, well, it's not flesh, maybe it's like carapace, or, you know, like alien style, so I figured let's give him this nice brownish color, and it comes out so nice. That's exactly what I wanted to do with this guy, and I'm really happy with how he turned out. And then I'm going to move on to these little bulbs on his chest there. So I used some Babe Blonde because I noticed it's always like more of like a highlight, this color, for some reason. I could have used Ivanden Yellow or something else on these to make them pop a little bit more than that, but they still look nice anyways. And then I used some Xanathar Blue, which is a D&D's unique paint from the Marvelous Pigment paints, and I do like his eyes and these little like laser things on his gun to show it's going off. So there you go, Ashar is painted. I finish off his base, and he's ready to hit the table. And so again, thank you for watching, have a good day, and get your miniatures to the table.